Hey YouTube, what's up? Welcome back to another episode of Jazzy Time with your host Bailey. How is it going, everybody? I hope everybody had a wonderful Christmas and a really great New Year. I am back to 100%. Trying to say hi in the new office. I know I haven't posted in a couple of weeks, so like I said, I've just been taking some downtime because I was really sick, and now I'm all pumped and ready to go. I got my hair did for Christmas. I got like some pinks and purples going on in here. It's awesome. I love it. So this isn't quite the 10-year challenge because I haven't been doing nails for 10 years. I've been doing nails like on myself for about the last 8 years, licensed for almost 4. So this is an 10-year challenge. So I'm going to insert the terrible photo here.
Oh, wow.
So those were literally done with like stickers from the dollar store and some black nail polish. So yeah, I wanted to improve and do gel and put a twist on it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this recreation of an 8-year-old design. I'm trying to get on the little trend, and that I am going to start spacing videos out more just because I've been feeling pretty pressured to get a lot done, and I like to be a little more like relaxed because I feel like I'm more myself when I'm not rushing things, and I have better ideas when I'm not rushing things. Hi. Hi. Oh, I'm making video. Mommy's almost done. And I also have to take time for Vinny because Vinny likes to have fun too. Can you say hi? Hi. So without further ado, let's recreate this monstrosity. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed the recreation. I like it so much better than the other one. Not as metallic as I would like it to be, but you know that's the difference between like a metallic sticker and chrome. Sometimes four fingers. 4 fingers, oh my goodness. So anywho's, click, comment, like up this video, subscribe. When you guys subscribe, it helps the algorithm change and helps my channel grow. Trying to get over 1,000 because I would love to do a giveaway at 1,000. Oh my goodness. 850. Craziness. Anywho's, I hope you all stay tuned and stay jazzy.